welcome back to our modeling space. So in this video I will show you how to make rigging wires for scale models with leftover sprue. Okay, so let's start with the basic stuff that you will need to make the rigging wires. Firstly, you will need some leftover sprue. Secondly, you will need a candle. And finally, you will need some matches to light the candle. So now that the flame is lit, you have to take the piece of sprue and melt it in this manner. The moment the sprue starts to melt, you have to pull them apart in this fashion. This will give a nice long and thin piece of rigging wire. Now that you have made the wires, there are several things you need to be aware of. The first one being that depending on the speed and the time that you have pulled the sprue apart, it will give different thicknesses. Also, different companies use different kinds of plastics, so the results will vary from company to company as well. Now also keep in mind that different shapes of sprues will give you different kinds of wires. Like the cylindrical sprue will give you a cylindrical wire. And this thicker square sprue will give you a square wire. Now you may be asking yourself the question of why to make rigging wires out of leftover sprue when there are so many aftermarket products available that give a far superior finish than this. And guess what? You are right about that. There are way too many third-party products available that give a much better finish than this. But the point of using leftover sprues for making rigging wires is to save costs and to make the most out of the kit. So that is all I have for now, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.